Students, previous video you are learned example 4.1 and 4.2. Now exercise 4.1. Check whether the which triangles are similar and find the value of x. Okay, where two diagrams are given. In these two diagrams, check whether the which triangles are similar. Suppose it is similar, we have to find the value of x. Okay, the first problem, the diagram is given, that is a b c. The similar triangle a d e. For a b c and a d e are similar, we have to check. If it is a similar, for this second diagram, if it is a similar, we have to find this value, x value. Listen students, you have to observe this diagram. Consider triangle ADE. You have to consider two triangles ADE and another one triangle ABC. That outer triangle, big triangle is ABC. That small triangle ADE. We have to consider these two are similar. Okay, we have to consider these two are similar. So that is similarity rules. We have to remember the similarity rules. That is AE by AC, AD by AB. Okay, so similarity rules, that first triangle, their corresponding sides are in a proportional. Okay, so that is the small triangle side AE by AC, AD by AB. It is a similarity triangles definition. Okay, so that is for we have three sides in this triangle. So which two sides values are given, you have to consider that two sides similarity values. Okay, so that is their corresponding sides, that is AE by AC, AD by AB. Okay, AE, what is the AE value? 2 by AC value 2 plus 3 by 2. AC means this full value AC. Okay, 2 plus 3 by 2. Then that is equal to AD. AD value 3, AB value 5. Okay, that you have to substitute here. So that is AE value 2, 2 by, so that is AE plus EC, that is 2 plus 3 1 by 2. So 3 1 by 2 you have to consider it as, so 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 1 by 2. Otherwise you have to find this improper. For mixed fraction you have to convert it as a improper. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to, it is 7, 7 by 2. So 7 plus 4 by 2. So you have to make multiple these two. Okay, so that is 11 by 2. Okay students, for this is, so you have to you have to find the values 2 plus 3 1 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2. So 2 by 11 by 2 is not equal to 3 by 8. Okay, these two values are not equal, so you have to use this symbol. Now for 2 divided by 11 by 2, what is this meaning? 2 by 11 by 2. You have to division rules you have to apply. What is the division rule? You have to take a reciprocal. So that is numerator into this 11 by 2 written as 2 by 11. For 11 by 2 in the division, yes, in the denominator. So it is written as into 2 by 11 not equal to 3 by 8. So now 2 2s are 4, 4 by 11 is not equal to 3 by 8. So these two are not equal, so they are not a similar triangles. These two are not a similar triangles. Okay students. Now you have to observe this second picture for a triangle ABC, another one triangle PQC. We have to apply the criteria. Yes, AAA criteria we have to check here. So that is first ABC, triangle ABC, we have one angle and two sides value. Okay, for this triangle we have to find this angle. Okay, for these two are linear pair. Sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So how you have to calculate this angle? 180 minus 110. So that is equal to 70 degree. Students, in the second problem, in this diagram given angle B. Yes, it is 70 degree. Angle B is 70 degree. That is angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. So for this angle also given, that is BQP. That is 110 degree. These two are linear pair. You have to find 180 minus 110. That is equal to 70 degree. So now for this outer triangle, yes, that is in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 70 degree. Then AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, for this triangle, one angle, for this angle 70, we found this, yes, 70 degree. So this x value we have to find. This x value how we have to find. Okay, we have to apply the similarity rules. Now, for in triangle PQC is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now, angle ABC equal to angle PQC, that is equal to 70 degree. Angle C is common angle, yes. For this outer triangle, triangle ABC, we get angle C. Then in triangle PQC, we have this angle C. So, this angle C is common for both the triangles. Okay, so now for two angles are equal. For angle B, this angle and this, these two are equal. Then angle C is common. So two angles are equal. In last class you are learned, two angles are equal automatically. The third angles are also equal. So we have to apply AA criterion. So these two triangles are similar. So we have to apply the similarity rules. What is the similarity rules? Their corresponding angles are their corresponding sides are in a proportion. So that is AB by PQ. Then BC by QC. Okay, students. So that is AB is 5, PQ is X. It is given unknown value. That is equal to BC value, 3 plus 3. This full length is BC. By QC is 3. So now that is equal to 5 by X. That is 5 by X is equal to 6 by 3. So now you have to take a cross multiplication, that is 6 into x, 6x is equal to 15. Now we want to find x value, that is x is equal to 15 by 6. Now cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel, that is 2 3s are 6, it is 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Now 5 by 2 is written as 2.5. So x value is equal to 2.5. Listen students, second question. A girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamp post. The girl whose height is 1.25 meter is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl. So, the mirror and the lamp post are in the same line. Find the height of the lamp post. Okay, a girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror, which is 6.6 meter away from the foot of the lamp post. Okay, students, yes. So that is 6.6 meter. That is a lamp post height. The girl height is 1.25 meter. The distance between the lamp post and the girl is 2.5 meter. Okay, we want to find the height of the lamp post. Student, first you have to draw the diagram. Okay, so you have to give any name. Okay, I am used here L, M, N. Okay, one right angle triangle. For in this question given, height of the girl is 1.25 meter. Yes, the distance between the this is what the distance between the girl. It is a girl's position. It is a lamp post. For this is the L, M is the lamp post. GR is the height of the girl. LN is the height of the lamp post. Okay. For that is it is the reflection. Yes, the lamp post reflection is 6.6 meter. Yes, what I said in the beginning, height of the lamp post is 6.6 meter. I said, that is wrong. Okay, that is the reflection of the lamppost is 6.6 meter. We want to find the height of the lamppost. Okay, students? Yes, that 6.6 meter is the reflection of the lamppost. Okay, that images of the lamppost. We want to find the height of the lamppost. Okay, yes. Now, that is, let M be the position of the mirror. Okay, it is the position of the mirror. Position of the mirror, and G be the position of the girl, and L be the position of the lamp. That you have to denote. Let GR be the height of the girl. So that is equal to 1.25 meter. NL be the height of the lamppost. That is NL is equal to H. Now we get two triangles. That is, what are they? What are they, students? That is MGR. Another one LMN or MLN. Two triangles we have here. Okay, so that is MLN, MLN. Another one MGR. You have to take in order. You have to start with M. For the second triangle also you have to start with M. Okay, for these two are similar triangles, since for M is common angle. Yes, this M is common for the small triangle and greater triangle, big triangle. Then for these two are equal, BGL. So that is, which is BGL? B is not here. Listen, student, it is wrongly given. For these two are right angled triangle, Yes, for this small triangle, this is 90 degree. This big triangle, this is 90 degree. So, RGM is equal to 90 degree. NLG is equal to 90 degree. So, we get two angles are equal. For this M angle is common. So, these two are equal for this diagram. Yes, that is angle M is common for triangle MGR and MLN. Okay, so AA criteria, we have to say these two triangles are similar. For similar triangle, what is the rules for similar triangle? Their corresponding sides are in a proportion. Corresponding sides. So what are the values given? Their corresponding sides we have to consider. Okay, for that is GR by LN. GR by LN is equal to MG by ML. For the small triangle side, yes, small triangle side by this big triangle side, then small triangle side this side by big triangle side. Okay, students? Yes, for the distance between mirror and girl is 2.5 meter. The distance, the image of the lamp post is 6.6 meter. So that is 1.25 by height is equal to 2.5 by this 6.6. Now you have to simplify this. That is a cross multiplication. These two you have to make a cross multiplication. Okay. So that is 1.25 into 6.6 is equal to 2.5 into h. We want to find h, you have to transpose this 2.5 this side. That is 1.25 into 6.6 whole divided by 2.5. Now you have to remove this decimal. Okay, otherwise this is written as 125 by 100 into, it is 66 by 10 into, this is written as, yes, the decimal you have to make it as a fraction value, that is 125 by 100 into 66 by 10 whole divided by 25 by 10. Okay, so that is 125 by 100 into 66 by 10 into, it is in a division. You have to take a reciprocal into 10 by 25. Now you have to make cancelling. Yes, so 10 cancel. Then 25 5 table is used here, or you have to use anyway you have to use. Okay, yes, that is okay, listen students, first 10 cancel, then 25th table, it is 5 times 125, 4 times 100. Yes, 25th table. For these two cancelled by 25th table. Then 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are 25. Then 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, that is a 33. Now we get 33 by 10, 5 into 2, 10. So that is written as 3.3 meter. Height of the lamp post is 3.3 meter.